I'm going to be showing you how to use iPhone as webcam for PC in Discord. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you can do is use a dedicated app. The most common apps are Epoch Cam or IV Cam or Reincubate Camo. So just go ahead and open your app store. As you can see, it's right there. Once you're here, you have all sorts of options here. You can just type in any of the names I just mentioned. I'm just going to type on Epoch Cam and wait for it to load. If it does not appear, then you can use other also. You have IV Cam webcam right there. And just try this. Just download it by tapping on get. And once you've downloaded this here, you also need to download it on your MacBook or your PC. And once you've done that, you just need to connect iPhone to PC. So there you have two options to do that. The first is Wi-Fi. Make sure your PC and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Or you can use a USB cable for better latency. Just connect your iPhone to your PC using your lightning cable and you'll be good to go. Now you just need to open the app and it should automatically detect the PC, and you have successfully set the iPhone as webcam for PC in Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.